Hi, my name is Eric Felkel, and I am the product manager for optical profilers at Zygo Corporation. And I'm here to show you today some of the new things that we have with our flagship optical profiler, the Nexview NX2. So the Nexview NX2 is a coherent scanning interferometer. It basically uses white light to do surface profiling, completely non-contact, to measure a wide variety of surfaces, whether they be structured or smooth, whether they be high reflective, low reflective, high slopes, or totally flat. The system basically works on white light interferometry. So each objective on the microscope is its own little interferometer, and we scan those vertically, and that lets us profile a wide variety of heights. With this system, we have a number of advancements over the previous generation. We've got essentially 2 times the field of view with a large format, high-speed sensor. We're running approximately 2 times faster than the previous system, and the new sensor is actually quite a bit quieter as well, letting us measure smoother surfaces in a shorter amount of time. In addition to these improvements on the metrology side, we've actually got a really exciting improvement on the ease of use side, where we can make setting up parts much, much easier. Basically take operations that might take our operators anywhere from 20 to 30 seconds if they're really skilled, to a few minutes for some really challenging parts, down to just a couple of seconds with a single button press. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how our new part finder tool works, which is to dramatically improve the setup times for a wide variety of parts. So what I do is I make sure that the part is underneath the microscope and that I'm below focus. And that's about all that I need to do. Once I've done that, I just press the Find Part button, and the system's very safely going to scan away from the part, and as soon as it finds it, it's going to stop, and it's going to automatically set the light level so that when it completes, we're all ready to make a measurement. So it found the part, I take a measurement, and we're going to get a new height map up here. Now, that's a structured part. We can move over to a part that has no features. It might be a little bit harder for an operator to set up the first time. So in this part, we're not actually seeing very much on the screen, but the system's still going to be able to find it for you. We just press the part find again, and we scan up and away. When it finds the part, it's going to come into focus here, do a fine adjustment, set the light level, and we're ready to make a measurement. I'm going to tell it to go, and we're going to get a new height map up here. So whether there's structure on the part, whether there's no structure on the part, high reflectivity, low reflectivity, it really doesn't matter. With a tool like this, you can take setup time from minutes down to seconds and bring your time to data much, much faster, and spend your time working on the metrology rather than working on the setup.